Nakakainis na kami ni Mama. Let's just plain black dust. So, hintay lang kami ng pagkain namin. Hi! Today, nandito kami sa Robinson. So, magbibili lang kami ng kailangan namin. At may nakuha na kaming Yakult, Milo, and garlic, and Tide, and I don't know what else. And now, Downy. Let's go. I got my childhood snack. Welchie's. There you go. Lollipops. Ta-da! Yes. Oh yes, bread. We're going to get bread now. Okay. Here's the bread aisle. There's a lot of bread and cheese. Yes, we need the small one. Let's go pila now. I'm going to get chichirya or maybe snacks for school. Bayad na kami. It's ice cream time. Eating avocado ice cream.
Wala ko diet ka na, 2025. Ha? Wala ko diet ka.
Yung sinasabi ko, bakit diet ka? Hello! Bumili sa akin ng tatay ko Hello! Bumili kami ng Miguelitos avocado. At yung flavor yung binili namin is Oreo and avocado. Delicious. Tastes like avocado.